I get an equity line on my commercial property? So just like you would possibly want or already have a home equity on your primary residence, people ask the same thing about commercial properties. Yes, you can pull equity from a commercial property. Keep in mind that banks will only go up to 75% or less based on your property type. Check out a previous video that I did regarding on cash out on a property, as the rules are very similar to this. Think about this too. There's an additional risk in commercial properties, and you always want to check with your primary commercial lender first for the equity line. And that's really more important in commercial even than it is in residential. And here's why. Since commercial properties generally have larger amounts, a bank is not going to want to go into second position on a riskier asset. So if, for example, if you have a first position loan of $1 million and you want to pull out or have a 200,000 equity line and you stop paying your first mortgage, the chances of us getting ours is actually fairly low. So again, if it's the same lender, it's possible to get that and it'd be a little bit easier. So keep that in mind, that you probably want to check with whoever your commercial lender on your first position is. Now let's look at this on the flip side. You owe $250,000 on a property and it's worth $2 million and you want to take out $500,000. Any bank will do that any day of the week because the risk is fairly low compared to the value of the property. Also, if you have a low loan to value on the property, getting cash back for a line of credit is significantly easier, or if the lender is the same as your first mortgage. So keep that in mind when shopping for an equity line for your commercial property.